Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to erase all data on our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to factory reset, so how to factory reset Oppo phone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to erase all data. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface. So when scroll it, friends click on your Oppo mobile additional setting. After on additional setting friends you can see language, date and time, keyboard setting, accessibility setting, OTG connection friends you want to on, so you can on and you can off from here. Friends click on last option, backup and reset. Friends you can see backup and restore, backup my data friends you want to on, so you can on and you can backup account. Friends last option click on factory data, factory reset all, erase all data. So friends you want to erase all data, so friends when you will click here erase all data including photos, videos, music, app, other data user guys all will delete on your Oppo phone device if you click erase all data. So friends you can see this will erase all data on your device. So friends you want to erase, so friends you can erase from here on your Oppo phone device. Friends I don't want to erase, but guys you want to erase, so you can erase. And guys, before erase guys, file transfer. So friends you photos and video guys you can transfer into any another device guys. So sorry friends, there is a power cut, so that's why guys I off my light. So friends you can see share option. So friends first of all guys share your document guys, your file and videos. And guys after share friends click on guys your phone setting guys. So guys we will on guys phone setting. Friends click on search option, factory reset. Friends direct search है factory reset setting. Friends search here erase all data setting. Friends you can see erase all data. Friends click here, and friends you want to erase all data on your device, so you can erase from here. Friends you can see erase all data you want to erase, so you can erase guys. If you click this will erase all data on your device. Friends I don't want to erase, but friends you want to erase, so you can erase. So like that friends we can erase all data, we can factory reset on our Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends do you have any doubts, so then you can ask me in comment section. Friends I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, and sorry for this situation, I am really sorry. Bye friends.